On this video today, I'm going to show you a very easy and free strategy that you can use to make money with Digistore24 as a complete beginner without investing any money and without any skills. The best part is that this method is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join, but one of them that you can use wherever you are in the world is Digistore24. So we are going to be using Digistore24 in this video. You can search for Digistore24. Once you search for it, create your free account so that you can find products to promote on this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to search for a product that you can promote to earn money from home. There are a lot of different products on Digistore24 that you can promote to make money. Some are digital products, others are physical products, others are services. You also have events and seminars. So any kind of products that you want, you can search for them and then promote any of them that you want so that you can be making money from home wherever you are in the world. So as a school, you can see these are products that you can promote. You can see these are the popular products that you can promote on Digistore24. So you have to select any of them that you want. If you don't want to select the popular ones, you can search based on categories. So when you come right here, you can see digital products. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see under the digital products, they have them in subcategories. They have animals and pets, betting system, business and investment, computer and internet, dance and music, dating, love and relationships. Under each of these subcategories, there are a lot of different available products that you can promote. For example, under the business and investment, they have about 69 different available products that you can select to promote. There are many of them. Let me scroll down for you to see. As a school, you can see different subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. If you don't want the digital products, you can click right here and then select any kind of product that you want. You can see they have physical products, they have services, physical data medium, events and seminars. Any kind of products that you want, just click on it and then find the products that are available so that you can promote them. In this case, we are not going to promote based on categories. What we are going to do is that we are going to sort the products based on the cart conversion rate. The cart conversion rate is the percentage of sales that a product gets when people click on the link of the product. So we are going to sort the products based on that, because when we get a product that have a higher conversion rate, it means we can easily make a sale when we promote it. So to sort the products, click right here. Once you click on it, you can see it is sort based on popularity. We don't want that. So you can select earning per sale, earning per cart vista, publication date. In this case, we want cart conversion, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is a new product, but it is getting a lot of sales. You can see the cart conversion rate is 39%. That means if you promote it to people, you are going to be getting 39 out of those people buying the product. So it is one of the best products that you can promote. When you scroll down, you can see the next one. The cart conversion rate is 29%. There are many of them. So as a school, you can see a whole lot of different products that have a higher conversion rate. So you can promote any of them that you want. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different products. You can see a lot of them. If you don't want those in page 1, you can click on page 2 and you are going to be getting different products. You can click page 3 and you are going to be getting different products. Any product that you want to promote, you can promote it on Digistore24. One good thing about Digistore24 products is that you don't need approval. All the products are readily available and you can select any of them to promote. So just select the one that you want and then promote it. In this case, I'm going to be promoting the first one. To promote the product, you can click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to get more details about the product. You can see right here, this is the sales page. So when you click on it, you are going to get more details of the product. The affiliate support page, when you click on it, you are going to get some resources that you can use to promote the product. And you can see other details of the product. You can see the date that it was published. You can see the name of the vendor. You can see cart per vista. You can see the rate, the price. This is not the main price. It is just to attract people to buy the product because it's a new product. but the main product is there. They have a lot of different upsells and downsells that they are going to promote to the customer when they buy the main product. This price is just to attract people to buy the product. You can see commission rate is 75%. So they just want to attract people to the product because it's a new product. Now once you have gotten these details about the product, you can click on the landing page so that you can get more information about it before you promote it. So click on sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you can see this is the sales page of the product. This is the first page that your potential customers are going to see before they decide to purchase the product. So you can click on play so that you can watch more details about the product. They have a video presentation of how the product will help people to attract money using their brainwave. So if you want, you can also watch it. Once you watch it, you get some basic information about the product before you promote it. Now once you have gotten some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. So when you click right here, copy promo link, your affiliate link has been copied to your clipboard. You can go ahead and promote the link so that you can get people to purchase the product through your affiliate link, and you are going to be paid a commission anytime you get a sale. If you want, you can test the product on a new tab. So just paste it on a new tab. Once you paste it, always ensure that your name is at the last part of it. So now press enter. Once you press enter, you can see it has opened. So the link is working. You can go ahead and promote your affiliate link. There are many kind of different traffic sources that you can use to promote your affiliate link. You can use Facebook or any social media network that you want. If you also want, you can use free classified ads. You can also use paid ads. You can run ads on Google. You can run ads on Twitter. You can run ads on Pinterest. Any platform that you want, you can run ads and then get people to purchase the product for you to make money. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you how to use classified websites to drive traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people to purchase it for you to make money. If you have money to run paid ads, you can go ahead and use the paid ads so that you can increase the number of sales. But if you're a beginner without money, you can use the free method. Once you get a sale, you can reinvest the money using paid ads so that you can increase the number of sales that you get. I'm going to be showing you the free method in this video. There are a lot of different websites that you can use to drive free traffic to your affiliate link. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using this website, digitalmarketinghits.com. Once you search for it, you can find it. It is a website that you can run ads for free without paying for anything. The best part is that you can target any tier 1 countries that you want. You can post your ad to any tier 1 country so that you can get people in that country to purchase the product. In the tier 1 countries, you're going to be getting people who have the purchasing power to buy the product so that you can be earning affiliate commissions on Digits24. So search for the website digitalmarketinghits.com. Once you search for it, you are going to create your account. To create an account, click on my accounts. Once you click on it, you are going to follow the prompt so that you can create your free accounts and then begin to run ads for free without paying for anything. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, publish your ad. Once you click on it, you can see post an ad for free. So you have to go ahead and publish your ad. Scroll down to the button so that you can enter the details of your ad. Once you scroll down, you can see ad type. Select individual. You can see that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see publish a listing. Just scroll down to the button. Once you scroll down, you can see category. You have to select the category of the product that you are promoting. So you have to scroll down and then select the right category of your product. You can see they have services, items, learning, real estate, and many others. As I scroll, you can see vehicles. Select any category that you want. In this case, we are going to select online classes. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing title and description. You have to scroll down and then add those details. You can see the title and then the description. You have to write a nice title and a description right here. In this case, I have my title and a description. If you don't know how to get a title and a description, you can go on ChatGPT. Once you are on ChatGPT, you can give a prompt so that it will write an ad title and a description for you. But in this case, I have my description in a title. So once you enter those details, you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see listing address. So you have to select the address. In this case, it is optional, so you don't need to enter in address. Just leave it and then click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see listing price. you have to enter the price of the product. So scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll down, you have to select the currency. If it is in dollars, select dollars. Euros, you have to select that. Pounds, you have to select that. Rupee, you have to select that. Just select the right currency. Once you select the right currency, you are going to enter the figure here. You can come back on this total info and then copy the price of the product. You can see it is $46.43. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see contact info. You have to scroll down and then enter your name and email address. So enter your name, just enter your name and then your email address. Once you enter your email address, the next step is that you are going to scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on it, company name, it is optional. Just scroll down and then click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see related question 1. You have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see enter your website URL. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on this total info. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your link has been copied to your clipboard. Once that is done, you're going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. This is my name. You can see my name at the last end of the link. You can see it. You must also see your name at the last end of the link. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down, click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see related info question 2. So you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see enter video URL. If you have a video review of the product, you can enter it. But in this case, we don't have any video link of the product, so just leave it. Once that is done, you're going to click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see related info question 3. So they are going to keep on asking about your social media links, so you can skip all of them. For example, you can see enter Facebook page URL. If you have a Facebook page URL, you can paste it right here, but it must be related to the product that you are promoting. In this case, we don't have anything like that, so just skip all of them and then click on continue. Once you click on that, you can see select your ad region. You have to select the location that you want to post your ad. So scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see country. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any country that you want. There are many countries available that you can select. You can see the countries. Just select the one that you want so that you can post your ad. If you want, you can post it in Australia or any place that you want. In this case, we are going to post it in Australia, so click on it. Once that is done, you can select a region in Australia. So when you click on it, you can see the different regions in Australia. You can see many of them, but in this case we are targeting all over Australia, so just leave it. Once that is done, we are going to click on continue. Once you click on it, you can see publish a listing, so you have to continue entering the details of the product. You can see add images. You have to add images of the product that you are promoting. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google and then search for the name of the product. Once you search for it, you are going to select images. Once you select images, you are going to select any of these images that you want so that you can use it on your ad. In this case, this is an image of the product, so we can download it and use it on our ad. To download the image, right click on it. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as. Once that is done, you are going to click on save so that the image can be saved onto your device. Once you save the image, you are going to come back, click on upload image. Once you click on it, you are going to select your image, click on open. You can see the image is uploading. It has been uploaded. Once you upload the image, if you want, you can enter your phone number right here, but in this case I'm not going to enter my phone number, so just leave it. Once that is done, you're going to click on I'm not a robot. Once you click on it, click on continue. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down and enter the rest of the details. You can see category learning, that is the category. If you don't want that, you can change it. This is just the preview of your ad. You can see everything. You can see the description. You can see the title is not there, so you have to paste the title back again. I've re-entered the title, so this is just the details of the ad. You have to preview it before you submit. You can see everything. You can see the price, you can see the cities, you can see my name and everything. Click on I'm not a robot. We have previewed the ad. Everything is alright. Once that is done, you are going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see complete this step by pressing the submit button. So click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you can see your listing has been received. It will be reviewed, so they are going to review it. Once they review it, they are going to publish it onto the website so that you can be getting free traffic to your affiliate link. You don't need to pay for anything, so you have to keep on posting different ads onto the website so that you can get a lot of people to click on your affiliate link. Apart from this website, I've shown you a lot of different classified websites that you can post your ads for free. So make sure you post the product to different classified websites so that you can be driving free traffic to your affiliate link. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.